Did you know that you should never, like ever, ingest essential oils unless you really know what you're doing and you're following the right guidelines? Or maybe you didn't know you should never put essential oils anywhere near your eyes, inside your ears? Yep, that's a definite no. Because if you do, it's going to cause some serious problems. We're talking burning, stinging, and a whole lot of discomfort, and no one wants that.
It's burning my eyes!
But don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use essential oils the right way so you can stop wasting your oils, because let's be honest, they're not exactly cheap. Actually get the results you want, whether that's healthy, glowing skin, feeling more relaxed after a long day, or boosting your immune system. And most importantly, you'll use them safely so you're not putting your health at risk without even realizing it. For starters, let's talk about the 3-step process for using them correctly. The biggest thing people overlook is dilution. Even though doTERRA essential oils are super pure and high quality, they're also super concentrated. That's what makes them so powerful. But it also means you can't just slap them straight onto your skin. Think of it like hot sauce. A little goes a long way. You wouldn't chug a whole bottle of hot sauce, right?
Oh, that's hot, 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 hot.
Same deal here. Why is dilution important? Because using essential oils undiluted can cause skin irritation, rashes, or even chemical burns over time.
That's gonna hurt in the morning.
Especially like stronger oils like oregano, cinnamon, or clove. Here's the simple rule. For everyday use, mix 1 to 2 drops of essential oils with a teaspoon of carrier oil like doTERRA fractionated coconut oil. If you're dealing with sore muscles or specific areas, you can even go up to 5% dilution, but only for short-term use. And no, diluting doesn't make the oils less effective. It actually helps them absorb into your skin better because they're spread out over a larger area. Quick tip, if you love roller blends, here's an easy formula. Use a 10 milliliter roller bottle, add 5 drops of essential oil, fill the rest with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. This is perfect for daily use, and you can toss it in your bag for on the go. Next, you need to make sure you know where and how to actually use your oils, because even if you've got the right mix, applying them the wrong way can be a problem. There are 3 main ways to use essential oils. The first way is aromatically, breathing them in. The second way is topically, on your skin. And the third way is internally, and only if the label says it's safe. I'm talking about doTERRA brand essential oils because I know that they're certified, pure, tested grade essential oils. Let's go over them in more detail. Aromatic use. This is basically diffusing or inhaling the oils. You can add 5 to 8 drops to your diffuser and let that fill the room with the aroma. No diffuser? No problem. Just rub a drop of essential oil between your palms, cup that over your nose, and take some deep breaths. Or you can put a drop on a cotton ball and tuck that into your car's air vent. Instant air freshener. For topical application, apply oils to areas with good blood flow like your wrists, neck, temples, or even the bottoms of your feet. Fun fact, you have one of the largest pores on the bottom of your feet, so essential oils absorb really well. Make sure to avoid sensitive spots like your eyes, inside your ears, and any broken skin. If you ever get oil in a sensitive area by mistake, don't use water.
Don't even think about it.
That just makes it worse. Just grab some carrier oil and gently wipe it away. You could even use milk. Now let's talk about using essential oils internally, but just a quick overview because that's a big topic on its own. Some doTERRA oils like frankincense and On Guard are labeled safe for internal use and can offer amazing benefits. Frankincense supports healthy cellular function and overall wellness. On Guard is fantastic for immune support, especially during cold and flu season, but internal use should be done carefully. Only use oils labeled safe for internal use. Stick to 1 to 2 drops max in water or in a veggie capsule. And always use a glass or stainless steel container, not plastic. Now before I get into the last and most important step, and then we can begin discussing mistakes you want to avoid, I need you to hit that subscribe button if you love using essential oils. Now for the part no one talks about, how you store your oils. It might not seem like a big deal, but if you're not storing them correctly, they can lose their strength or even go bad faster. Here's what to do. Keep them in their original dark bottles. This protects them from sunlight, which can break down the oils. Store them in a cool, dark place like a drawer, cabinet, or essential oil case. Definitely don't leave them in your car, especially in the summer. Tighten the caps really well. Air can make the oils oxidize, which weakens their effectiveness. Caution when using citrus oils. If you're using oils like lemon, wild orange, grapefruit, or bergamot on your skin, be careful. Citrus oils are photosensitive, meaning they can cause serious burns if you go out into the sun too soon after applying them. Here's how to use them safely. If you use citrus oils on your skin, wait at least 12 to 24 hours before going out in the sun, or just apply them to areas that will be covered by clothes. Easy fix. I remember a friend of mine returned from a long hike in the sun, and she noticed she had some burns on her legs, and she didn't know where they came from. But then she remembered that she used some citrus oils as a natural deodorant, and the residue of the oils on her hands she placed on the exact spots where those burns were.
That's gonna leave a mark.
So when you're using oils, make sure to wash your hands right after you applied the oils. Now, there are still some common mistakes you want to make sure that you avoid because they'll stop you from getting the full benefits of your essential oils, and they could cost you a lot of money. I will cover 6 of the most common ones. Number 1, using undiluted oils directly on your skin. One of the biggest mistakes people make is applying essential oils directly to their skin without proper dilution. Even though doTERRA essential oils are pure and natural, they are highly concentrated. This can lead to skin irritation, rashes, or even chemical burns over time, especially with hot oils like oregano, cinnamon, and clove. Always dilute your oils with a carrier oil like doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, especially for sensitive skin areas. Remember, dilution doesn't reduce effectiveness. In fact, it helps the oils absorb better. Number 2, storing oils in heat or sunlight. Essential oils are sensitive to environmental factors, and exposing them to heat, light, or air can cause them to break down and lose their therapeutic benefits. Leaving a bottle of lemon oil in your car on the dashboard, bad idea. That heat speeds up oxidation, which not only weakens the oil but can make it irritating to the skin. Store your oils in a cool, dark place like a drawer, a cabinet, or an essential oil carrying case. Always make sure the caps are tightly sealed to prevent oxidation. Number 3, thinking more drops equals better results. People often think that using more drops of essential oil will give faster or stronger results, but with essential oils, more is not always better. In fact, overusing oils can lead to sensitization, where your body develops a reaction to oils that never bothered you before. Plus, let's be honest, doTERRA oils aren't cheap, so why waste them when you don't need to? Stick to the recommended amount. For diffusion, 5 to 8 drops are plenty. For topical use, 1 to 2 drops diluted is often all you need. Your body responds best to small, but being consistent is key. Number 4, applying oils to sensitive areas. Essential oils should never be applied directly to sensitive areas like your eyes, your ears, mucous membranes, or broken skin. Doing so can cause intense burning, irritation, and even damage to delicate tissues. What if this happens accidentally? Don't reach for the water. It can actually spread the oil and make the burning worse. Instead, apply a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil or olive oil to the affected area to dilute the essential oil and reduce irritation. Be mindful when applying oils, especially around the face, and always wash your hands after applying oils to avoid accidentally contact with sensitive areas. Number 5, skipping a patch test. Even though doTERRA oils are pure and tested for quality, everyone's skin reacts differently. Skipping a patch test before using a new oil can lead to unexpected reactions, especially if you have sensitive skin. Before using a new oil, dilute it and Then apply a small amount to the inside of your forearm. Wait 24 hours to see if there's any redness, itching, or irritation. If not, you're good to go. Number 6, using citrus oils before sun exposure. Here's a mistake that many people don't realize until it's too late. Applying citrus oils before going out in the sun. Oils like lemon, wild orange, grapefruit, bergamot, and lime are photosensitive, meaning they can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. This can lead to severe sunburns, blisters, or dark skin discoloration, even if you're only out for a short time. If you apply citrus oils topically, wait at least 12 to 24 hours before sun exposure. Apply them to areas that will be covered by clothing if you're heading outdoors. For daytime use, consider using non-photosensitive oils like lavender, frankincense, or peppermint. All right, now you're basically an essential oil pro. But don't stop here. If you want to learn more on how to make your own facial serum with essential oils, click right here to watch the next video.